Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excellent Educational Center by Priya Gulati. Today I am going to solve a very important question from quadratic equation chapter. This question has come in the year 2005. Let us read the question. Solve a square b square x square plus b square x minus a square x minus 1 equals to 0 by factorization method. Let us come to the solution. This is the equation given to you in the question. First of all, you have to understand that the alphabets A and B, they are constants. The only variable is x in this equation. So if you look at the first term, this term contains x square, second term contains x, third term contains x, and this is the constant term. So it is of which form? It is of the form ax square plus bx. You can take out x common from these two terms. So combiningly this will be bx and this is plus c equals to 0. That means it is of the quadratic form, right? Now I have to solve by factorization method. Solve means I have to find the values of x. So for that what I have to do, look at the first two terms, take out something common from this. Look at the third and fourth term. I will take out whatever common I can see in these two terms. Now from the first two terms, what do I see common? B square x, B square x. So I take out B square x common. What remains from the first term? A square x. What remains from the second term? B square x common bahar ho gaya. So into x I can write here. So 1 remains from the second term. Close the bracket. Minus, minus. From these two terms, I see nothing is common. So I can take out 1. 1 is always common in any term, any two terms. So 1 common. What remains inside? A square x and plus 1. Why plus 1? Because plus into minus gives you, minus into plus gives you minus, right? So that is why plus 1. Close the bracket, equals to 0. Now this is one term minus this is second term. What do you see common in these two terms? A square x plus 1, a square x plus 1. So I take out a square x plus 1 common. From the first term what remains? B square x. From this second term what remains? Minus 1. Close the bracket, equals to 0. Now first term into second term equals to 0 means either the first term is 0 or the second term is 0. So I write a square x plus 1 is 0 or b square x minus 1 equals to 0. I will solve these two equations now. Look at this equation. I have to solve for x. So bring plus 1 on the right side. So it becomes a square x equals to minus 1. So therefore x equals to, bring a square on the right side, it will get divided. So x equals to minus 1 upon a square. Now come to the second equation. Bring 1 on the right side. So it becomes b square x equals to 1. Bring b square on the right side. So it becomes, b square will get divided, x equals to 1 upon b square. So these are the two values of x. So x equals to minus 1 upon a square and x equals to 1 upon b square. These are your two answers for x. Solving means you are required to find the values of x. I hope you have understood this question. Bye bye.